birds. Okay, suppose to if you want to do the want to draw the peacock. Okay, peacock, how to draw? Okay, this is the techniques I will show you how to draw the peacock. Okay, so now so first make a circle, okay, for peacock. Yeah, I show you. For peacock, first make a circle, okay, like this, simple. All drawing with the coming from the circle. Okay, make a circle first. After circle, just you can draw over here. Okay, just go over here, one big line like this. Okay, simple big line. Understood? Fine. And now you just draw here. Okay. So after that, you can draw, this is the line, another big line, and here you can create another big line like this. Okay, simple big line. So create, how to create birds. And now after that, okay, you just go ahead here, you just make it one line, curve line. Okay, and here one curve line like this. So basically I'm using over here circle, oval, straight line and curve line. This is curve, this is curve, this is curve, this is curve. This is the for 1, 2 and the straight line also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 8 things only important for the any drawing. Okay. So for example, I'm using circle like this. I'm using the curve line like this curve line like this. Okay, now I just create over here. Okay, just create over here in top of this, like here we can make like this one curve line, again one curve line, and from here also you can make it curve line from here. Okay, make it like curve line like this. Okay, fine. One curve line, one curve line. Got it? Now, in this circle, exactly in this circle, in the middle here, you can draw one circle like this. Okay, this is a circle, draw like a circle like this. Okay, and this circle you are doing like this, just oval. Okay, and for the peacock, one thing again, I'm making one curve from here, one curve like this. Okay, one curve line like this, and here one curve line like this. So make it a based curve line like this. Fine. It just draw like, okay, just draw like this line, little bit of curve like this. Okay, curve like this, ups and down, little ups and down. Okay, fine. How to draw? And now, so this is, you can get it how to create this peacock mouth and all those. Okay, and now exactly here nose, eyes, and here you can make it in this level. You are making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like one area you can draw, and here also like this. Curve, straight line, 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 like this. Okay, fine. And now after that, you just do this. Erase this line. This line is no need more. Okay. I'm using the circle. I'm draw the circle because for the drawing, when your drawing is over, you just erase the circle and you just put one curve like this. Okay, here you can make some curve, and here also you can erase this line also. Okay, the circle line, full erase the circle line. Okay, like this. Okay, you can erase the circle line. So aram se you can draw one peacock. Okay, fine. So I just recurve how to do. Okay, here I just recurve. Here, first make a circle, then I make one weak line. Number 2, number 3 I make here and here. Number 4 I just go to the curve line like this. Number 6 go to here, another curve line like this. Okay. Number 7 I just add, it is add over here and like this, add like this. Okay. Number 8 I just draw the eyes. Okay. Number 9 I just do this, add over here. Okay. And number 10 I just erase this. So that